Before we do anything, just look at these channels. They're pulling millions of views, building massive audiences, and the crazy part is, a lot of their content is built around music, songs, lyrics, background tracks, and emotional audio. So clearly, there's huge demand for this type of content. But normally, creating something like this is not simple. You need lyrics, melody, vocals, background music, proper mixing, and if you want to take it further, you also need visuals for a music video. That means multiple tools, multiple skills, and a lot of time. But today, we're going to see how you can go from a simple idea to a complete song, and then turn that song into a music video. So let's get started. Now let's actually create something inside Mureka. Once you come to the Mureka dashboard, go to the Create Music section. Here, you'll see 3 different ways to create music. The first one is Easy Mode, which is the simplest option if you want Mureka to guide you through the process like a co-producer. Then you have Custom Mode, where you get more control over the lyrics, style, vocals, and song direction. And then there's Soundtrack Mode, which is perfect if you want to upload an image or video and generate a matching background score for it. But for this demo, I'm going to use Custom Mode because I want more control over the final song. Inside Custom Mode, you can add a reference, create a remix, or even add vocals. But first, I need lyrics for the song, so I'll click on Generate Lyrics. Here, you simply describe the kind of song you want. For example, I'm creating a beautiful, epic romantic song dedicated to a friend's wedding. So I'll enter that idea, click on Generate Lyrics, and within a few moments, Mureka starts building proper lyrics around that concept. And this is where the workflow already becomes interesting, because instead of starting with a blank page, you instantly get a structured lyrical idea that you can build on. Once the lyrics are ready, I'll click on Use this lyric. Now, one thing I really like here is that you're not locked into only generated lyrics. If you already have your own lyrics, you can paste them directly here. And if your lyrics need improvement, there's also an Optimize option that can help refine them. For now, I'll keep these lyrics and move to the Style section. Here, you can define the sound and overall direction of the song. So I'll add the vibe I want, something cinematic, emotional, dreamy, and romantic. And Mureka will use that as the creative direction for the track. After that, I'll select the vocal gender. For this song, I'm going with a male vocal. Then I'll add the song title.
The morning light carves statues out of shadows on the wall.
Alright, the song is ready now. And honestly, this already sounds much more complete than just a basic AI-generated clip. You can hear the vocals, the emotional tone, the arrangement, and the overall cinematic feeling of the track. It actually feels like a proper song structure, not just a random loop. From here, you can download the song directly. You can also remix it, generate cover art, or open it inside Studio, where you get more control over the music, including editing and refining different parts of the track. But for this video, I want to take it one step further. Instead of stopping at the song, let's turn this into a music video. For that, I'll click on the Video option here. And now we are inside Mureka's music video creation interface. Here, you mainly get 2 options. The first one is Music Video, where you can create a proper visual video around your song. And the second one is Lyrics Video, where the lyrics become the main focus of the video. For this demo, I want to create a proper music video, so I'll stay on the Music Video option. Now first, I need to select the section of the song that I want to convert into a video. So I'll choose this part of the track, because this is where the emotion of the song feels stronger and it should work better visually. After that, we need to select the music video character. Here, Mureka gives you multiple character options, and you can also upload your own character if you want the video to feel more personal or branded. That can be useful if you're creating a music video around your own artist identity, your own virtual character, or even a specific brand concept. And I'm also enabling lip sync mode, because for a song-based music video, lip sync makes the output feel more alive. Instead of just random visuals playing over music, it gives the video a proper performance-style feeling. Next, we have the background option. Here, you can manually choose a background, or you can keep it random and let the AI decide the environment. Then we have the visual style section. There are different styles here, Since our song is romantic and emotional, I personally feel vintage film fits better here. After that, I'll describe the mood of the music video. So I'm typing romantic, dreamy, and vintage cinematic. Now, Mureka gives us two ways to generate the video. The first one is one-click mode. This is the fastest option, where AI handles every shot automatically. If you just want a quick music video without thinking too much about scenes, this is useful. But the second option is storyboard mode, and this is the one I'm going to use. Storyboard mode is better because it lets you review the shots before final generation. And honestly, for a music video, that matters a lot. Now I'll select the aspect ratio, and since this is for YouTube, I'll keep it at 16:9. After that, I'll click on Generate Music Video. Now Mureka is preparing the storyboard, and we can actually see the shots being created one by one. And this is the part I like, because instead of directly giving us the final video, it first shows us the visual structure, so we can understand what kind of scenes it is planning. The visuals feel soft, cinematic, and emotional, which is exactly what I wanted for this romantic wedding-style track. Now, if you don't like any shot, you do have the option to regenerate or refine it before creating the final video. So now I'll click on Generate Music Video, and Mureka will start creating the final output. Now the video generation has started, so let's wait for the final result. Alright, the music video is ready.
Waiting for the moment when the world would turn out right. Now the chapel doors are open and the silver bells will ring to capture all the gravity that honest promise brings. You found the missing melody beneath the winter haze, the soft and steady anchor for the wandering of your...
Honestly, the final result looks really good. The main thing I wanted to check was whether the visuals match the mood of the song, and honestly, they do. It feels romantic, dreamy, and cinematic, and the lip sync makes it feel more like an actual music performance instead of just random visuals over a track. So in one workflow, we went from a simple idea to lyrics to a complete song and then into a music video. And this can be useful for a lot of things: music channels, short-form content, trend-based songs, personal videos for weddings or birthdays, and even brand campaigns or internal company videos. We started with a simple idea, turned it into a full song, and then converted that same track into a music video, all inside Mureka. It actually gives you a creative starting point and enough control to shape the final result. So, if you create music, videos, background tracks, or you just want to experiment with AI-powered music creation, you can check out Mureka from the link in the description. Also, let me know in the comments, would you use this for songs, background music, or music videos? And with that said, I'll see you in the next one.